Hello everyone, this is Ishan Juneja on behalf of Center of Excellence of Peck University of Technology. Today I am going to show you how to use a cane properly. This is a general misconception that cane usage is a very simple affair and doesn't require any guidance. But let me tell you, most of the patients do not use their cane properly and end up hurting their other body parts. So let me show you how to select and subsequently use your cane properly. The first thing you need to consider while selecting your cane is the exact height you require for the cane. The topmost point of your cane should exactly reach the point where your hip bone is, which should be approximately right here, so that your elbow makes an angle of 15 to 20 degrees. This is because if it is too short, you may lean on one side like this and lose balance, or if it is too long, you may end up hurting your shoulder. The next part you need to consider for the cane usage is in which hand you want to hold the cane. You should always hold the cane in the hand opposite to your injured leg. So if my left leg needs support, I should hold the cane in my right hand. This is because if my left foot goes forward, my right hand goes forward with it naturally. And if my left foot gets backward, my right hand gets backward with it naturally. So now, let me walk with the assistance of a cane and demonstrate this fact. You should always start with your injured leg first and not the right one. So, if my left leg needs support, then left leg and the cane together, then the right leg. Left leg and the cane together, then the right leg. You should always remember that your injured leg and the cane should go together simultaneously, not that your cane first and then the injured leg. They should always go together. This is very important so that your injured leg must not get hurt more. Don't think too much while using your cane or you will lose your balance. Now let me show you how to climb up and down the stairs using a cane. In this case, you should hold the cane in the hand opposite to the railing or your support you have with the stairs. So now in this case, you should always step up with your healthy leg first and then the injured leg. So like this, healthy leg first, then the cane and the injured leg. Healthy leg first, then the cane and the injured leg. Now while climbing down the stairs, you should again holding the cane in the opposite hand to the railing. You should always step down with your injured leg first and then the healthy leg. So like this, injured leg and the cane together, then the healthy leg. Injured leg and the cane together, then the healthy leg. Following these facts, you can subsequently use your cane properly and prevent any other injury to the other body parts. Thank you.